Hello everyone, welcome to a very simple and easy tutorial. Today I will show you how to copy and transfer Google Ads campaign from one account to another account. So before we get started, make sure to comment down below before what you want to see next, and let's get started with this video. So basically, as you can see, here's how you can copy and paste campaigns between accounts. It's very simple. You don't have to actually transfer it. So as you can see in the account tree, which is right here, select one or more campaigns. So you can select those, and in the application menu at the top, you can click edit, which is right here. So just select the account tree, select one or more campaigns, click here, and then you will be able to go in the edit menu that appear. You can select one of these options. So to copy the entire campaign and its contents, you can select copy. To copy only the campaign settings, select copy shell, and then location targeting won't be included when copying your campaign settings. So to remove the campaign from the current account and add it to the different account, select cut. Now return to the application menu and select account and open. Now in the new window that appears, select the account where you want to paste the campaigns and click open. Now from here, you can return to the application menu and then click edit and paste. And from here, as you can see, you can copy and paste accounts within the account. Again, you go to the account tree, and then you can go here and copy the campaign and all its contents with right here. So again, this is pretty much it. It's very simple. Again, if you have any questions or comments around this, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.